GVQ Cafe is a cafe that's based on time. So when the client approached us with the concept of making a time cafe, she came about with an idea of restoring a 50-plus-year-old house into a cafe where people pay for the time and not for the food. So, as an architect, our approach to it was to create a space where people would love to spend their time in, a place where people would feel like staying for a little bit longer. So, the first time we entered the site, the ground was covered with dry leaves and there were a lot of large trees. These trees we wanted to keep as it is, and we thought bringing in more landscape into this area, bringing in more green, lush plants, a variety of plants into this area, and creating a sort of seating space within this landscape would bring in a sort of very vibrant atmosphere. Here, what we tried to achieve was since the spaces were already so compact, we couldn't play with a lot of seating arrangements. So, we added these benches cantilevering from the wall itself to sort of optimize the space in the seating. We didn't want to bring in a lot of colors, a lot of interior elements to make the place busy. So the basic subtle green and white color palette added with a little bit of pop-up colors here and there, and the pattern sort of brought in a vibrance to the space, which again makes it a very interesting space to experience. So we wanted to create a space where you are very close to the nature, you experience the green lush landscape of the place, the very cozy interiors that we've created to sort of make people want to come to this place again.